Yo, what's that mean? Hold on.
Yo!
Don't do it yet! Hey, hold on! Yo, I didn't even spray it! I didn't even spray it! I didn't even spray it, we got a running engine! Yo! Right here, high five! Knuckles, high five. Oh.
Okay, so that ran without fluid.
Wow!
Let's do it again, I like it.
Hold up! Go for it.
Yeah?
Yeah? Ah. Come on, baby. Woo. Come on, baby. Woo! Oh, yeah. He's a runner. We got one of them, two.
Well, let's go home.
Yeah.
Let's take her out.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's make a good video.
That would make a good video.
Would. Next time.
No, we can take her out.
No.
Yes. No problem. I can run it on one engine.
Let's do it.
Not a problem.
You really,
Maybe small problem. But
you really want to, don't you, actually?
Of course. It's a boat.
Okay.
It's been in the same place for what, 17 years?
Yeah.
Has it really?
No.
It's been here for a while.
He's a runner. Okay. Should we try the other engine?
Dude, I'm so pissed. It sounds good.
Why are you pissed? It's a new motor. Huh?
Spray it again.
The water pump actually spins the other way. The belts are going that way.
That explains a lot.
Yeah, carburetor.
Yeah, that's good.
So.
Wow, that was the sound heard across 2 different counties in our area last night.
Good.
Hold on. Shut it off. I'm gonna try to spin the water pump the other way now. It's spinning! We have a fuel leak or a water leak. The water pump's spinning. Good news, we're gonna call him Dan, not a yacht whisperer.
Not a yacht whisperer, correct.
Got both of the engines running. They both run. Surprisingly, that one looks like it's got an exhaust leak and a busted water pump, as you can tell. And we're gonna have to see what else is. This was a newer engine. They both run. Next video, we'll take it for a spin. Yeah, no? Check the training? No? Okay.
Yeah, we'll give it a go.
I'm blown away.
We'll risk our lives.
Paid $650 for it, plus a 12% auction premium. So I'm in at what's 12% of 650? 65.
Don't look at me. I don't want.
Oh.
It's upsetting enough for me.
Under 800 bucks.
Less than 10 times what I got my fixer-upper boat for.
And we had to go up the river for 30 miles.
Yes.
More?
On one engine.
On one engine, that's
Yes.
right.
And it couldn't go above 1200 RPM.
That's
We'll do
true.
a tour at a different time.
Yes, it's right there. But yeah, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm so happy. I'm gonna go clean. I can't take this anymore. I'm gonna go put stuff away and go clean after I walk the plank.
I'm gonna cry.
Why were you gonna cry? Just go use the restroom. You'll be fine. You need a paper towel for them? Do you want a paper towel for your drool, or do you want a paper towel for your tears? Well, at least you're honest. More keys for the boat. Pennies. I'm gonna throw them out.
Keep the keys.
Keep the keys, okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
20, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Boom.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29 bucks.
Hey, life savings right
That's
there.
my day right there.
That's your day right there. Yeah, 20. Hey, you said it.
No.
Look at that.
No way.
Dude, yes, rubbing alcohol. Let's get lit. Hey, Kip, if you see this or you know somebody sees this, check it out. Reach out to me. DM, message, Facebook, you know the drill. Andy Carr. Let me know. I'll hook you back up. I know how it feels when you get your stuff taken from you. Never, that's weird, huh? What if he's not alive? If a girlfriend or somebody, if anybody can claim that, hit me up. I gotcha.
What if she moved on?
That's weird. That just got really weird quick.